Welcome to the part 32 of the Gregg Shorthand course. In this video, we're going to have a look at way. Alright, so suppose we have this alphabet here. So this alphabet is called W in English, but if we have a word here like V, so now if we pronounce this word, it goes like V. So if you notice at this part, we have a way sound, right? We have a simple way sound. Like we have another word called wave. Alright. So see, if you pronounce it goes like wave. So we have way sound. Alright. Way. So we can simply consider this W as way in Gregg Shorthand. Okay. So now let's see how we represent this way sound. So we simply use our U hook to represent this way sound. Alright. So now suppose we have to write this word V. So we can simply write this word like this. Alright. So see, if we first use our U hook here to represent our way sound. Then we attached this circle, small circle and a dash to represent our E sound as in need. Alright, as we have studied before. So this is our E vowel, E sound as in need. Okay, so this is our final word called V. Likewise, if we have this word wave, so we can make this wave word simply like this. Okay, so we have first of all U hook, which is our way. Alright, then we have this large circle, alright, which we use to represent our A sound as in came, as we have studied before. So this is a large circle and a dash here, and then we finally attached this long curve, which is V. So we have simply this word called wave. Let's take another word, like a word called wall. Okay, so we again have this way here because it is pronounced as wall, so we have way. Alright, and we have a word here wall, so it has a sound of aw here. So let's see how this word will be made. Like this. Okay, so first we use our U hook here to represent our way sound. Then we have this O hook here. If you remember from the previous lessons, we have our O hook and a dot to represent our aw sound as in paw, as you have studied in previous lessons. So we used first of all this our U hook, then we use this O hook and a dot to represent our aw sound as in paw, because this word is pronounced as wall, so we have aw sound. Then we finally attach this long curve, which is L. So this is our word wall. Let's take another example, like a word called like win. We have a win, so simply we can make this win word like this. So we have this, first of all, our U hook to represent our way sound. Then we have our small circle to represent our E sound as in kit. Right, if you remember from the previous lessons. Then we finally attach this small stroke, which is our N. So this is our word win. Let's take another, like wet. So we can make the wet word like this. Right? First we have way, then we have small circle and a dot to represent our S sound as in get, if you remember from previous lessons. So this is our A vowel. So we use this small circle and a dot. Then we have this T, which is a small stroke, short stroke, to represent our T. So this is our word wet. Let's take another, like a word called wake. So wake can be written like this. So first we have this way, then we have this large circle and a dash to represent our A sound as in came, if you remember from the previous lessons. Then we have this short curve, which is our K. So this is our word wake. Alright, so that's how you use this U hook to represent this way sound in any word. Alright, whenever we have this W, and because this is pronounced as way, like in V we have V way sound, in wave we have this way sound here starting, and in the wall we have way. So that's how you represent the way sound, alright, for the letter W. So that was all about it, and I will see you in the next video.